I'm Pop Sigong, and welcome to my channel where I teach my personal martial art of Bagua Kuntao Silat. Today I'm going to show you about the Sapu, or front foot sweep. Now you can see I previously released drill number 2 on the square, which directly relates to the application I'm going to show you for that drill right here. And before I forget, and you forget, please like and subscribe so I can bring you more videos and you don't miss any. But Sapus are traditionally used as a means to a throw, so that the other person is taken off balance, hits the ground, and you can follow up with little recourse to yourself if you do it properly and you're aware of you and the other person, structural relationships and everything else. And if you've been following along, practicing the form, practicing the stepping fundamentals, and the way that we use energy and force, you can see how the Sapu is just a simple thing. With Bagua Kuntao Silat, we attack the entire body, not just one thing at a time as we're moving in. Now, we will, but we prefer to engage the entire body at once. And it all depends upon the moment of a fight. A fight is always chaotic, and as we know, best laid plans always get messed up. Your job is to get so good and develop that Bagua Kuntao Silat body that you can adapt to anything and persevere using the techniques I show you. So, from here, if somebody were to come in with a lead punch, then you can see from there, I move striking palm, I make contact and adhesion, but I'm moving that body while he steps forward and I'm pushing him back. That striking palm turned into a pressing palm and his weight's back here. That's when I engage that front leg. With a cross punch, same thing, except the fall for him is far worse because his body's already starting to twist and I'm taking advantage of that twisting skeletal. Doesn't feel good. And I mentioned when we do it off the straight punch, why do we always do it off the straight punch? Because that's how trained fighters punch. Now we know most people don't fight like trained fighters. The interesting thing about that is, if they're going to do swing punches, it's even easier because I know where their weight's going to be. They're transferring. I can see it. And their punches take longer to reach me and they have this wide gap. So if he's going to institute a lead swing punch, and you can see I even had time to bring my rear leg up to engage the Sapu and intercept that with a pressing palm because I didn't want to hurt him. In real life, if someone were to do that to me, I would hit him with a striking palm to rock him back and then affect the Sapu. Also, if they say, well, nobody's going to do a lead hook or a lead punch, let me tell you, people do it all the time. When they're doing it, they bring that swing in right away trying to catch you because they don't think you're doing it, or they're not thinking because they're angry and they're just swinging at your face. That's the thing that's offending them, usually whatever you're saying. So they want to knock that right out. But also, if he steps in with a rear swing punch, like they step forward and do an almost haymaker at you, which some people will do because they think they're fast enough and you can't react. If they step in and try that, the rear haymaker, again, and I'm relaxed, moving very simply, and you can see it. And I'm taking it easy on him because I don't want to hyperextend his groin. I don't want to damage his knees or ankles. And also, these pressing palms I'm giving him are just to adjust his weight so that I can manipulate him for the Sapu. But in reality, they'd be strikes, piercing palms, cutting palms, elbow strikes, forearm crashes. This is just I'm demonstrating for you to see how to affect the Sapu in the easiest way. When I bring more weight and make and damage his structure, and also use my center to move his center while I'm striking him, the Sapus become even easier to perform on your opponent. A rear swing punch. There you go. You didn't see it because he fell off camera, but it was flat on his back. You okay? Mm-hmm. All right, flat on his back. He knows how to fall, but sometimes the falls can be ugly. Also works if they want to affect an elbow, except you're going to be closer. And I'm farther apart than I would usually be because I want you to see how this works mechanically and structurally. In reality, we're closer. It's almost wrestling or clinch range where these things occur. So if he comes in with a punch, say, and we're locked up, you come in with a punch, I'm caught by surprise, I've got him, we're swinging, and I just sweep him because I'm manipulating his weight to his back leg. Now, you can Sapu the front leg if the weight's on it. Put the weight on it. However, it's much more difficult. You can see he's planted and I'm trying to Sapu. If you're struggling in a fight, he's going to be hitting me at the same time. It takes too much time. So you want to make sure you Sapu him directly right as his foot touches the ground, or immediately before it, or I rock and put his weight on his back foot so I can sweep him so the weight's not there. However, there is a way, and it's called crashing step, which I'll show you later. Right now, we're going to just show the easy basic applications of Sapu. The angle of intersection for the front leg sweep or Sapu is always going to be at an angle if you can manage it. So if he's on there, I'm going to essentially trace this line, intersect him, and move him forward. And he had a bit more of his weight even on his foot, but it was easy for me to do because I was able to intersect at that angle. And even if he's on a straight line and we're standing here, you can see I'm going to move my rear foot to hit his front foot and intersect for a Sapu. I'm going to approach at that angle. Yeah, I'm trying not to follow him, but it's not easy. He's going with it. But this is just for illustration purposes. Real life, there's going to be no lines in the ground, but I'm going to use a similar angle. Sapu him. Doesn't matter where. Step here. And you can see, if for whatever reason I'm closer than I want to be, I still trace that line. Sapu. You destroy your opponent's balance with the Sapu. I'm Pop Seagon. Thank you for watching my video on the front leg sweep or Sapu for Bagua Kuntao Silat. Please like and subscribe so you can get all the rest of my videos and I can keep bringing them to you. Thank you.